So if you are just joining our channel, we suggest you subscribe and then turn on your notification bell. Today we'll be sharing how you can plant your pineapple using the pineapple crown. You know, the normal pineapple crown you normally throw away. Yes, this. So the first thing we did was we pulled the layers of the crown. We pulled it off to expose the root. So you can see carefully, that's the root. That's the root. That's where the nutrient is being drawn from. So we carefully pulled out 4 layers, and depending on how far yours is from the root, you can decide to pull up 5 layers of the crown to expose the root. After which, carefully, I always tell people to carefully do this. You can either plant this in a bucket or put it in the soil. But since we had space, we have enough space, we decided to use the soil. So when you exposed the little see the roots, yeah, the roots. Once you expose the roots, mine, I'm not done exposing them. I wanted you to get the yeah, that's it, that's the root. You dig up the ground a bit, not too deep, yeah, just you put it into the ground, the soil, into the soil, carefully put it into the soil, then yeah, put it carefully. After which, you can decide to water it from the top. Yeah, it's mostly okay when you water the pineapple from the top, because for 2 days, why we didn't water ours is because we found out that it was about to